1-minute trading mastery. Part for the 600 candle types for kings and horseshoe.
Hi traders, what is the for kings and horseshoe, and how to use them? These patterns are the most powerful candle types on the chart, but you must pay attention to the rules. Rule 1. The wick of the first candle must not be above the wicks of the other candles. Rule 2. The wicks of the two candles in between must not be below the wicks of candles 1 and 4. If the wick of the fourth candle takes all the liquidity from the structure, the strength of the candle doubles. When you encounter this pattern, you should always look for a second confirmation. The pattern is confirmed if you are in a key structure, have received significant liquidity, or are in a support or resistance area. The entry point for the trade is the sum of the second and third candles. Your stop loss should be above these candles. You can determine your take profit area using Fibonacci. Good luck, guys!